cool thing about hats is it tells a story. Like, you know, the NY of New York, Yankees. It doesn't just represent the Yankees. It represents New York, the city, the place, the thing. You know. So I don't know. Just you can learn a lot about someone by what they're wearing. Like, I don't leave my house without wearing a hat. It's just normal. My name's Leon Chen. I'm a full-time hat designer, content creator. Today I'm on a quest for a hat, holy grail. We're going to the right place for it. We're visiting the Ball family. They would buy hats from New Era and eventually travel to flea markets and travel around in a trailer selling these hats over the number of years. And they've just accumulated a house full of hats. There you go. Thousands of baseball caps right there. See the sign? She's gonna have stuff that no one's seen in years. Stuff from the 80s, the 70s. This stuff should be in a museum. Let's do this.
Pleasure.
You know, there's hats everywhere. There's hats on lines. There's hats in boxes in the back. And this is amazing. I mean, you don't even see them made like this anymore.
This has the old-fashioned leather.
These are the old hats up here.
Yeah.
The real old hats.
How do you keep track of all of these hats?
But I do have Negro Leagues if you want to look at those.
Yeah, definitely. Like this one is
Yeah, I know the Cubans.
the New York Cubans.
Yeah.
Oh man, what a piece of history here. The Indianapolis Clowns, famously Hank Aaron's Negro League team. Amazing piece. The Grails, the Hawaiian Baseball League. Those you can't even get anymore. The license completely gone. That Whale, the Beach Boys.
All
and,
three of them?
Yeah.
Do you know how many you have?
Hats?
How many hats do you have?
Oh, everybody always asks me that. I must really like it because, you know, I'm 89 now, and it seems like I had it all my life.
Show the picture, Mom. They owned the hot dog stand from about 1961 to 1981. What happened was an old friend of Mom's that she went to high school with.
Dave Cook.
Dave Cook is the dad of Chris Cook, the owner of New Era Cap.
He used to come and visit us. And then he started teasing my husband. Sell my hats, sell my hats, sell my hats. And my husband started selling them out of the trunk of his car.
My dad just kept buying and buying and buying.
He loves hats.
He loved hats.
Careful.
That looks like an old Cleveland hat.
No.
This looks like a Cleveland hat. It's like Maryland, almost.
Like what?
Maryland.
No.
Oh, no. This is
Who knows?
Express.
No.
That might be Nolan Ryan.
Nolan Ryan.
I'm seeing stuff that I don't even know. What hat you wearing today? Why did you decide to wear this one?
Because I like it.
I think the beauty of baseball hats sometimes is that it doesn't just represent the team, but it represents the city that they're from, the place. Everyone was going crazy when I was in Denver last week for those orange uniforms. Everyone's crying for this logo to come back permanently. I'm blown away. I could spend hours here just digging through boxes. It's like a time capsule. You can learn a lot from the past by, you know, seeing how things were made and how the teams told their stories back then. And, you know, we can take from like the colors and the logos and kind of try to capture that moment in time. We spent a couple hours here. As a hat collector, we definitely gotta take some stuff back home, right? So this was one piece I came across. The 1993 World Series champs. Locker room hat. Got a University of Colorado Buffs, Denver Broncos corduroy. Potentially could be another World Series matchup 24 years later. But year 2000, not defunct team Hartford Whalers, one of the best logos of all time. Not many people have more hats than me, so you know, I tip my cap to you. I'm very grateful. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. No problem.
You can call me directly for if you want to buy the hats. Call me and we'll set up a time and we'll go through it.